we really produce something which people want. The data our satellites deliver to our end users is something which makes a difference even to everybody's daily life, because every weather prediction you see on your smartphone, on the TV screen, does rely on the data we deliver. And being part of that process, of that organization, is great. My job is to make sure that the original user requirements of the National Weather Services are finally being met by the satellites being flown in space. A user requirement could be, for example, a high-resolution wind speed. And requirements engineering makes sure that the final satellite, the instrument, the ground processing all work together such that the wind speeds which are produced meet the requirements of our users. I think Darmstadt, and especially the area, offers a lot for work-life balance. You can go, in 20 minutes you are in the middle of the Odenwald, in the forest. You can go hiking, you don't see anybody. I personally do a lot of mountain biking there, and I can even cycle to work. And on the other hand, if you want to see city lights, you drive 20 minutes and you're in Frankfurt. And if you want to go even further, you're at the airport and you can basically fly everywhere from there.
I work at EUMETSAT as a remote sensing scientist, and my focus is on sea surface temperatures and sea ice surface temperatures from satellites. So I've always been interested in science and the environment, but I wanted to do something that meant something and that actually helped people. So working at EUMETSAT gave me the opportunity to combine all of these different interests. I think the job I do here makes a difference in the world, as well as affecting weather forecasts. It's also important to understand a changing climate. So we need to know the best possible knowledge of our ocean and the ocean's health so that we can monitor it and then understand how this may change in the future.
So the most exciting and rewarding part of my job is obviously when we have a launch and we get the first telemetry into the ground segment we just built, and we have the first payload telemetry coming in and the first products coming out. This doesn't happen every year, but we are working several years towards such a target. I believe the job I do makes a difference, especially when you watch weather forecast on the TV in the evening, which is made with images or data we provide from EUMETSAT. And also, for example, in the recent hurricane events in Florida, we provided support to NOAA to do their own forecast and see where the hurricane would go. So I really think it makes a difference.